Hi, my name's Ryan, and I'm a career coordinator at the University of Akron. Today, we'll be talking about Handshake. You may be wondering, what exactly is Handshake? It's the university's online job board where students and employers can connect. Logging into Handshake is simple. Just click the blue button to get to the UA login page. Completing your profile will let employers search you and see your resume. Make sure you complete it before you start your job search. Handshake's homepage will suggest relevant jobs for you to take a look at. Clicking the Jobs tab will take you to a menu that allows you to edit search filters to help find the right job for you. This is an example of the job search page. You can use filters to choose different criteria for your job search, including full-time or part-time work, location, internship or co-op, on-campus jobs, and more. Make sure you read each job description carefully. And don't forget, you can favorite jobs to find them again easily. Here's what a job posting on Handshake looks like. You can find details about the position, like hours, location, and salary, at the top of the page. Below, you can find the job description, as well as more information about the employer. Clicking the green Apply button will let you apply through Handshake or the company's own website. Different positions may require you to upload additional documents, such as a class schedule for an on-campus job. Clicking the Events tab will take you to a list of upcoming events on and off campus. This is an example of the Events page, where you can view upcoming career fairs, appointments, interviews, and more. The top menu allows you to search for events and fairs and even has a calendar view for all events. Clicking the View Event button will give you more information about the event and will allow you to register for it. You can also request appointments to meet with a career coordinator through Handshake. Just click the Career Center drop-down menu and select Appointments. Follow the prompts to choose your college and the appointment type you'd like to request. There are multiple different appointment types to choose from. Select the appointment type that you feel best matches what you need. Once you've chosen your appointment type, select the time slot that best fits your schedule. You can also add comments about why you're scheduling an appointment. Handshake also houses our resource library, where you can find downloadable PDFs of all of our guides. You can search for topics or scroll through the list to find what you need. Get started today by visiting uakron.joinhandshake.com.